Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install drivers in Windows 11. So guys, just open the settings from here and go to Windows Update. Now from here, go to Advanced Options, and there you will see the optional updates. Just click there, and there you're going to see the driver options. You can check the drivers that are required, or you can just check them all. And the other updates, you will see the Windows updates. So once you have checked all, just click on download and install, and it will start downloading all of them. So some of the drivers will be downloaded and installed, but some of them require a restart. So let this driver be fully downloaded, then just restart your PC, and that's it. So as there you can see, restart required. Just restart your PC, and that's it. Your drivers will be successfully installed. So guys, now I will show you that all my drivers have been updated and successfully installed. So this is how you can just install drivers in Windows 11. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.